In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tab stops in Google Docs. If your text alignment feels off, or pressing the tab key sends your cursor to an unexpected position, there's a good chance a tab stop has been added to the document. The good news is that removing it is quick and easy once you know where to look. First, make sure the ruler is visible in your Google Docs document. To do that, go to the top menu, click View, and then select Show Ruler. This ruler appears across the top of the page and gives you visual control over alignment settings, including tab stops. If the ruler is hidden, you won't be able to see or remove the marker, so this is an important first step. Once the ruler is visible, look carefully for the tab stop marker on it. This usually appears as a small symbol placed somewhere along the ruler line. Depending on the type of tab stop that was added, the symbol may look slightly different, but the key thing is that it stands out from the normal ruler controls. If you're working in a document with several formatting elements, take a moment to identify the correct marker before making changes. After you've found the tab stop marker, click directly on it and drag it off the ruler. You'll want to click and hold the marker with your mouse, then move it downward and away from the ruler area. This action tells Google Docs that you want to remove that tab stop instead of repositioning it. Try to drag it clearly outside the ruler so the change registers properly. Finally, release the mouse button to remove the tab stop. Once you let go, the marker should disappear, confirming that the tab stop has been deleted. At that point, your text will no longer snap to that tab position. If you don't see the change right away, click back into the paragraph where the tab stop was applied and test it by pressing tab or reviewing the alignment. Also, keep in mind that tab stops can apply to specific paragraphs. So if the document has multiple sections with different formatting, you may need to repeat the same process in the relevant area. And that's all it takes to remove tab stops in Google Docs. It's a simple fix, but it can make a big difference when you're cleaning up formatting and making your document look more polished.